Hello boys and girls, this is our Readwrite Inc. Day 1 Introduce the Sound lesson for the green group. Now we're going to be focusing on a sound that we practiced last week, just as a little bit of revision to get us up and running for our distant learning journey. So you might have guessed already, but the sound that we're going to be learning today is air. Your turn. Air. Air. Good job. And our sound, air, looks like this. And on the back, it's got a picture. And it looks like we've got a family, a mum, a dad, a little boy and a little girl having a picnic. And they're sharing the food. And the picture side is air, care and share. Your turn. Air, care and share. Good job. Miss Brown's got some words that have a new sound in it. We're going to Fred talk, read the word. Miss Brown will start and then it's your turn. Are we ready? First word. Air. Bear. Your turn. Excellent. Next word. Air. Spare. Your turn. Excellent, Fred talking. Let's do one more. Air. Square. Your turn. Excellent work, boys and girls. Okay. On this side, we have got our special friend. And our special friend is made up of 3 letters. A, and A, which makes the sound air. Now let's not get mistaken for the word are. That's a red tricky word. But the sound with these 3 letters together makes the sound air. So when I hold the card this way, you're going to say air. And when I hold the card this way, you're going to say air, care and share. I wonder if I can trick you guys. Are we ready? Setting up like readers. Let's go. Excellent. Air, care and share. Air. Air, care and share. Air, care and share. Air. Oh, good job, guys. Tell your adult, you can't trick me. So now that we know our sound, we can say it and we can read it. I'm going to pop it into our review pack. Now these are sounds that we already know. Let's see how speedy we can do our sounds. Are we ready, boys and girls? Magnet eyes. Let's go. Well spotted. This is our set 2 sound. And it makes the same sound that we're learning. Air. But the picture side is that's not bear. Air. Well spotted. There it is. Air. Care and share. Excellent, boys and girls. Tell your adult that you are super speedy at your sounds. Okay, we're moving on to our green words now, boys and girls. And our green words are words that have the sound that we are learning in them. Air. So what we're going to do is we're going to do spot the special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Miss Bren will show you first and then you're going to do it on your own. So the first word, special friends. There's two, qui and air. Fred talk, qui, air, square. Your turn now. Are we ready? Special friends. Excellent. There's two, sh and air. Fred talk. Read the word. Good reading. Special friends. There's two. Fred talk. Read the word. Excellent. Special friends. Just one. Fred talk. Read the word. Last one. Special friends. Just one. Fred talk. Read the word. Care. Fantastic. Fred talk, boys and girls. Okay, now we're moving on to our speedy reading. Now these are words that we already know because we have learnt this sound already. So we're going to see how quickly we can read these words. Magnet eyes on the cards. Are we ready? Let's go. Boy. Hair. Part. Join. Rude. Same. Like. Train. Seat. Crawl. Spoon. Loud. Short. Were you speedy at your reading? Well done, boys and girls. Give yourself a big fantastic. Okay. On to our alien words this time. Now these words are a load of nonsense, but they help us to read the sound and say the sound that we're learning. So, everyone get your alien antennae out. Are we ready for our first gobbledygook word? We're gonna special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Watch Miss Brown. Special friends, air, Fred talk, air, sare. Now we're over to you. Your turn. Special friends, one, Fred talk. Cheer! What a load of nonsense. Special friends, Fred talk. Read the word. Slayer. Special friends, Fred talk. Claire. That sounds like a name, doesn't it? Special friends, Fred talk. Last one. Special friends. Oh, we've got two here. We've got our air sound and we've got our kicking kit and which makes the sound air, mare. What a load of nonsense, boys and girls. To finish off with, we have got our our red words, sorry. And our red words are words that we have to read and have to know because we can't sound them out. We can't use Fred talk because they don't have we can't sound them out using our phonics. So we are going to speedy read these as best we can, okay? Miss Brown's going to do it first, and then it's your turn. Are we ready? I've, you, your, he, all, to, she, want, we, call, me, hair. Your turn. I'm going to mix them all up. Okay, are you ready? Let's see how quick we can do our red tricky words. Magnet eyes on the cards. Let's go. I've, call, we, want, she, to, all, he, your, you, hair, and me. Well done, boys and girls. Today we have learned to say and read the air sound. Give yourselves a huge big marshmallow clap. Thank you for listening.